Funko Fools! What's up guys, Shtkodysays here, back again with another mail call mania for the Funko Fools, and today, because it's such a big one, we've got our special guest, my brother, Xgipson.
What's up guys, I post Rainbow Six Siege content and Overwatch content on my channel. You all should go check it out. I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers.
That's a big deal. Today we have Blizzard boxes, oddly enough. If I had to guess, this is probably the Zenyatta and Witch Mercy pops that I ordered back mid-October, but I only ordered one of each, so I'm not sure why Blizzard sent me 3 boxes, and this one's beat up really fucking bad. Yeah, take a look at that. So I can't wait to see how bad they are. It's like an accordion. It makes me sick. But anyway, let's break into these and see if Blizzard actually did fuck up and send us multiples.
Well, wait, we should bet first on like what the extra is going to be.
Fair point. What do you think they're going to be?
Witch Mercy.
You think they're going to be extra Witch Mercies?
Yeah.
I feel like it's just going to be Witch Mercy Zenyatta, Witch Mercy Zenyatta, Witch Mercy Zenyatta. Yeah, one of each per box, probably. So let's pop these bad boys open, see what we got. Number one. Oh, hell. Oh, okay. So the first one is actually Zenyatta. And Witch Mercy, just like I guessed. So 2 of them. And let's see what's in the other 2. I'll give you the knife, Chase. Here. Be careful. What do you think's in this one?
Same thing.
Same thing? I hope they fucked up and just sent us some crazy shit that makes no sense.
If this rifle work.
The boxes are pretty cool. The design on the boxes are pretty sweet. I guess I don't expect much else from Blizzard, though.
Where's another one?
That's it. Here, you can open from here. There, see? You've never gotten a box from Blizzard before?
Nope. Same exact thing. We got. Oh, it's kind of beat up. One's a Witch Mercy. Yeah, that box is terrible.
This box is bad. She's
the beat up
packed
one?
in there, too. What the hell?
This one wasn't even the beat up one. Oh, yeah, it was. Was it?
No, that wasn't even the beat up.
Look at the Zenyatta. Oh, gosh. Came right out of the box like that. Oh.
That makes me want to throw up.
Ooh. He doesn't even look that good.
I guess I can't really complain, though, considering that they fucked up and sent 2 extra of each.
He looks like he's having a stroke.
He is a cool pop, though. We're going to take a closer look at him here after we get this last box
this
open.
one is the one that literally looks like crap, so I'm excited
Pop
to
that
see.
bad boy open.
Should I just rip it open?
Don't Lamar Wilson it. Here. I'll do it. Tell him not to rip it open, and that's what I do. Oh, okay. So yeah, another Zenyatta.
They're not even that beat up.
And another Witch Mercy. Zenyatta does have a bad spot up at the top left corner. Yeah, both of these pops look like they've been pushed down into the box. They're packed in there pretty tight. But anyway, let's open these up and let's take a closer look. Okay guys, that'll wrap us up for today. After taking a closer look at these pops, I would have to say Zenyatta is probably my favorite, just because of his color scheme. The Cultist skin is actually really cool. Witch Mercy is also pretty cool, but I don't like Mercy that much as a character. Which one's your favorite?
Definitely the Zenyatta skin. I just think it's one of the coolest skins in the actual game, so I'm gonna have to go with it.
Yeah, having Zenyatta, who's more of like a good
Skin character.
Yeah, that's a really awesome one. All of Zenyatta, I would have rather have seen the Nutcracker skin,
yeah.
but this one's still all the same. I mean, I think it was supposed to be Halloween themed anyway because it came out in October, but still. Hopefully they'll do some cool Christmas ones other than the May and the Tracer one they're doing in the Wonderland box. I have that pre-ordered, so I'm sure we'll get to see an unboxing of that. But like I said guys, that's it for today. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.